One Sabbath morning, I came to church with an ankle-length dark purple dress, accompanied by a simple tan-colored scarf covering my hair, which was my personal idea of what modesty was. But to others, it seemed way too extreme and offensive for church. Throughout the day, I endured comments from churchgoers, including children and adults. ISIS has arrived. You know, you look like that lady. I think she was Mahatma Gandhi's wife. Hey, salam alam. Just kidding with you. All followed by playful laughs. That day, my grandmother received several complaints from sisters in the church. I even got into a huge verbal feud with one of the sisters in my church on my views on modesty. I always made sure to tell people that I was only doing this because the Bible said so. According to 1 Corinthians 11, that you remember me in all things, and keep the traditions just as I delivered them to you. Every woman who prays or prophesies with her head uncovered dishonors her head, for that is one and the same if her head was shaved. For this reason, a woman ought to have the symbol of authority on their head, because of the angels. After that encounter with my church, my confidence in following what the Holy Bible had taught me eventually ended up diminishing. Often people said things like, "Because times have changed, we don't practice in things like that. Jesus died for our sins, so we don't have to do that anymore. That was the old ways of Babylon, so we no longer need to do that. Wrap it another way and not look like a Muslim. It's not good to wear it like that. People will think you worship the Muslim God instead of Jesus. There are other ways to be modest. Why do you have to dress like that? You are beautiful just the way you are. Just take that scarf off already." Their comments didn't really affect me much, but it did make me wonder, as Christians, why are we not modeling what the Bible taught us, when the Muslims and even Jews were doing it, and they don't even claim the Bible as their holy book? Eventually, months later, on October, I started wearing the hijab consistently.